Hello everyone, this is Rubel from Tech Review. Today I'm going to show you how to fix the error VC runtime 140 underscore 1.dll not found. To fix this problem, open the browser, search for Microsoft Visual C++, press enter. From the search result, open the first link, scroll down and find this section. From this section, download the vc underscore redis.x86 and vc underscore redis.x64. By clicking on them, download will start automatically. Please wait until finishing the download. After finishing the download, go to the downloaded folder and double click on a downloaded file. Accept the license agreement. Click on install. Click on yes. After finishing the installation, click on close. Similarly, install the next downloaded file. After installing the both file, restart the computer. After restarting the computer, hope your problem solved. Thanks for watching this video. Take care.